Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You'll start by ensuring Android Studio and the SDK are installed and that virtualization is enabled in BIOS. Open SDK Manager, install Android Emulator and System Images. Then go to AVD Manager and click Create Virtual Device to begin. Pick a device profile and press Next. Choose a system image matching your target API level, and ABI, x86 or x86-64 is faster with Haxum or Hypervisor. Once done, configure device settings like memory and orientation, then finish to create the AVD. Now start the emulator from AVD Manager and observe the boot process. It can take a minute. Use cold boot if snapshots cause issues, or enable quick boot for faster startups. Connect your app via Run or use a DB devices to confirm communication. If deploying, select the AVD in the Run dialog and install the APK, monitor Logcat for runtime errors. For better performance, allocate sufficient RAM and enable GPU emulation. Make sure Hypervisor driver is active on Windows or use Hypervisor. Framework on Mac OS. To finish, launch the emulator and verify play services, sensors, and network access match your testing needs. Snapshot or quick boot settings save time between sessions. Export configurations for team consistency. When done testing, close the emulator gracefully to avoid corrupting snapshots. Troubleshooting tip: if the emulator fails to start, check virtualization is enabled, update emulator and system images, and reinstall or update the hypervisor driver. Also delete the AVD and recreate it if corruption persists. That usually resolves boot failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.